Alrighty, so this, we're in our garage. I just wanted to show you guys kind of what the cabinets look like before we do anything to them. We have 4 cabinets. We have 2 of these for the laundry room. And then this is for the pantry, as well as this little guy right here. Here are the inside. This is the inside of this one. We're gonna get the slow closing, that was really loud, the slow closing joints for them. And this is the inside of this one. This is for the laundry room. We have 2 of these for the laundry room. Same thing for that one. The slow closing joints will be added. And then this is the other one for the pantry. So super excited. All right, you guys, so this is our laundry room. And this is the room that we are redoing. So it is a walkthrough to our garage. So we don't currently have a lot of storage space in here. So on this side, on the far right of the dryer, we have like our storage and things like that. And then the step stools here, and then our reusable grocery bags. But this is the storage system we currently have up top. So we're gonna scrap the whole shelf and just kind of put something that looks better and more functional in. So this is, this is what we're working with. This is our starting point. I mean, we have a lot of space up there, as you can see. 90% done at this point. The cabinets have a few coats of paint on them. They're hung, and then we also added this shelf. So Will is just going to go through and retouch the gray paint, and then we will be all finished.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, y'all, we are finally done with the laundry room. So this is what it looks like now. So just a quick overview. So as you guys can see, we made a lot of major changes in here. Before, there was no space in between the washer and dryer, and we slid them apart and put this whole middle piece in here. So now I have a little folding area, and then more storage down here at the bottom. That is our ironing board, so we just hung it on one of the joints there. And then we have like another shelf for decorative things, in which I'll fill up at a later date. A drying rack here where I can hang stuff up, and then a shelf on top. This one holds like our iron and laundry detergent, and this one here has like toilet paper and stuff in it, so it's super convenient. And we have our mops and things hanging on this side, and the step stool is hanging on this little thing here. So yeah, I am super excited about how everything turned out.